Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Creatrix YouTube channel, my dear friends. We are here with another video in the virtual calculator series. So, in this session, I am going to explain to you all of you about the memory function inbuilt in the Gate virtual calculator. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Let me start by first introducing myself. My name is Ankit Goyal. I got AIR 1 twice in GATE in 2014 and 2018. I was awarded President of India Gold Medal in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT Indore. Till date, I have trained more than 1 lakh students in the online and the offline classes, and I am currently working as a director at an academy for GATE department. Now, my dear friends, the only thing that you should look forward to, that you should be proud about, is that this channel has the top educators of this country, and this channel is continuously providing you the best quality education free of cost. But remember, the free education initiative is not only restricted to YouTube, but it is also available on the Unacademy free platform. So without any hesitation, download the Unacademy app right now and unlock all the free initiatives there just by using the invite code Ankit ESC. Okay. Now, this is the link to all my special classes that are available out there on the Unacademy platform. So if you visit this link, you will find the classes well arranged in different folders. Whatever you want to watch, whether it has been conducted earlier or it is going to be conducted in the future, you can watch it. In upcoming, you will find the classes that will be coming later on, and you can enjoy those classes live. Okay. So guys, today what we will be discussing are these functions at the top of the calculator: MC, MR, MS, M plus, M minus. What is MC? MC is clearing the memory register value. Whatever data has been stored in the memory earlier, if you need to clear it, you will use the MC function. MR, that is the recall the current memory register value. Whatever data is there in the memory, if I want to recall it, if I want to reuse it, I will use the MR function. MS, that is store the number of display into memory. Whatever number is being displayed in this box, whatever number is being displayed in this box, that can be stored into the memory. M plus, whatever is the current data that will be added into the memory register. M minus, whatever is the current data that will be subtracted from the memory. Suppose memory contains a number 10 and the current data is 5. If you press M plus, the data stored in the memory becomes 15. If you press M minus, it becomes 10 minus 5 equal to 5. So that way you can modify the value stored in the memory either by adding the current value or by subtracting the current value. But remember, before you start any memory operation, you need to clear the memory so that there is no absurd value in your result. Let's see how to use it. Suppose I want to calculate this value. Okay, this value is quite long. Let us see how will I do it. First of all, I'll clear the memory. MC 6.32. I will raise it to the power 4. Okay. Whatever is the data, I will press the MS key. It will store the data in the memory. See, a M appears on the top of mod, which means there is certain data in the memory. What is the next number? 1.91 square. I will clear it. Don't press MC. Memory will be cleared. Only C. 1.91 square. I will add it to the data stored in the memory by pressing M plus. Next number 5.87 to the power 6. 5.87 x to the power y 6. Okay, equal to, I will add it to the data in the memory. M plus 1.37 square. 1.37 square. I'll press equal to, I'll press M plus. Now the entire number, the entire sum has been stored in the memory. I will have to recall it. I will press MR. This is the data stored in the memory. Now you need to take a cube root. If you see here, you need to take a cube root. So let's take the cube root like this, 34.9. So this will give us the answer. So guys, this can be really helpful when you want to calculate the RMS value of a Fourier series, because in that case you have a lot of squares to be added and then you have to take the square root. Similarly, let's try the next one. 66 by 4, I'll clear the memory. 66 by 4, I'll calculate it, store. Then 8 by 31, 8 by 31, I'll add it into the memory. 5 by 13, press equal to m plus. 9 by 23, press equal to then m plus. 83 by 11, press equal to then m plus. Now the entire data has been stored in the memory. I need to recall it and then take the square root. So I'll press mr and then I'll press the square root. 5.007. See how easy these calculations become if we use the memory function. Now let's use multiple functions. Sin 43 plus sec 53 by cos 80 plus sin 37. This is actually quite simple. What I'll do, I'll clear. I'll press 43, sin 43. Okay, plus sec 53. Actually, let me clear it. First, I'll do 1 minute. First, I'll do 1 by 53 cos. Sec 53 is 1 by cos 53, 1.601 plus sin 53, 53 sin 0.7986. Okay, you will press equal to, divide it. Now form a bracket. You need cos 80 plus sin 37. Cos 80 plus sin 37. Close the bracket. Even without memory function, we have calculated 3.172 by the use of bracket. Okay. Similarly, let's try this. I won't be using memory function. I'll be using the bracket part. 2 log 6 by 5. Let me write 6 by 5. I'll take log into 2. Then into 8 log 3. Into 3 log into 8 into 4 cube into pi. Into 4 cube into pi. This is the value of the numerator, 121.5348. This is the numerator, guys. Now what I will do is, I will divide it. I'll use a bracket now. Sin 23, 23 then sin 6 root 3 into 3 root into 6 into 6. Okay. Then 8 cap minus 2. 8 cap minus 2 is basically into 1 into 1 by 8 cap 2. Okay. Now I will close the bracket. I'll press equal to 1915.539. 1915.539. So that is, you can do a lot of stuff by the use of brackets also, and a bit of common sense, like 8 to the power minus 2. I input it as 1 by 8 to the power 2. So guys, that way your calculation becomes really easy by the use of virtual calculator, if you make right use of the bracket and the memory function. Okay, so that's all from this video. Now my friends, you can become a member of Unacademy Plus and get to attend the live classes by all the top educators, providing comprehensive and crash courses. They also provide you daily homework, weekly tests, test series, question bank, and clear all your doubts. In one subscription, you will have access to GATE batches, ESE batches, PSU batches, AE batches, all these batches will be brought to you, and if you miss any class you can watch it recorded. Then you can also go with Iconic, where all these benefits are included along with a personal coach who will create a study planner for you. Teachers will guide you in study booster session. You will get test analysis, study material, and you will also have a dedicated team who will solve all your queries. So if you use the code Ankit ESE, you will get immediate 10% discount, as well as you get connected to me so that I personally hold your hand and take you towards your destination and provide you a whole lot of other benefits with this code. And my friend, these are the new batches that will be starting from 23rd of June. We will be starting with Analog by Siddharth Sabharwal sir, and these batches will be trying to complete your course in a faster manner as compared to the batches that we started earlier. Okay. And I'm starting a new course on electrical machines on Unacademy Plus. So join Unacademy Plus right away. We will have 160 hours of content, daily assignment, weekly test, and doubt clearing session. So here you will get almost 170 hours of content along with 8 to 9 tests within this single course, and that will really enhance your knowledge and understanding of machines. And remember this date, 20th of June at 11 am, we are going to conduct combat. Enroll in combat using the code Ankit ESE so that I can check how my students have performed, and at the same time you can even win 100% scholarship. And the prices are going to be increased very soon, so join immediately so that you can beat the price hike, because we are also adding the digital notes feature. That is, you will be getting comprehensive books in the digital format, by which after a lecture you can revise the entire concept, solve problems, and your conceptual understanding will get better. This is my Unacademy profile which you guys can follow, message me, chat with me, and we can personally interact. This is my Telegram channel to stay connected to me. So thank you everybody. Make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and comment below the video if you like the video and what you would like to see in the future. Thank you.